Welcome everyone to this important guide on how to choose the best life insurance plans for international students in 2024. Life insurance might not be the first thing on your mind as you embark on your educational journey overseas, but believe me, it's something you don't want to overlook. The right life insurance policy can serve as a financial safety net offering peace of mind for you and your loved ones. So, let's dive in. Firstly, why is life insurance even relevant for international students? The answer is quite simple. Accidents and unforeseen circumstances don't discriminate based on age or occupation. When you're far from home, in a new country with unfamiliar systems, having a life insurance policy can ease a lot of your worries, both yours and your family's. It's not just about the eventualities of severe illness or untimely death. Some life insurance policies can offer add-ons for other kinds of setbacks like accidents or disabilities. Now, how do you go about selecting the right plan? The first step is to understand your coverage needs. Are you looking for a policy that will only cover the extreme worst case scenarios, such as death and terminal illness? Or would you prefer a more comprehensive plan that includes things like accident coverage, disability income, or even investment components? Knowing your needs is crucial for selecting a plan that's both sufficient and economical. Once you have a grasp of your needs, it's time to research the types of plans available. Broadly speaking, there are two categories: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance is cheaper, but offers coverage for a specific number of years. Permanent life insurance, on the other hand, is more expensive, but provides lifetime coverage and often includes an investment component. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's delve into specific factors especially important for international students. Currency exchange rates can become a concern. Make sure you understand the implications of having a policy in one currency while the other financial transactions might be in another. Currency fluctuation could affect the actual amount you or your beneficiaries receive, so choose a plan that offers some form of protection against this. Also, look for portability in your life insurance. As an international student, there's a chance you'll be moving around, either between states or even countries. Portable insurance policy will allow you to maintain your coverage regardless of where your studies or career may take you. Lastly, don't forget to consider the claim process. Being in a foreign country can sometimes make bureaucratic tasks more cumbersome. Opt for insurance providers known for their hassle-free and prompt claim processes. Read reviews, talk to other international students, or consult your school's international office for recommendations. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the nitty-gritty details of actually shopping for a plan. Start by setting a budget for yourself. Knowing what you can afford each month will help you narrow down your options. This might also protect you from getting swayed by agents who might push pricier plans that offer features you don't actually need. Once your budget is set, it's time to compare plans from different providers. Most insurance companies offer online quote systems. Simply input your details and get an estimate. However, these are often just that, estimates. For a more accurate quote, consider speaking to an insurance agent directly. They can offer a more tailored evaluation based on your individual needs and circumstances. Let's not underestimate the power of word of mouth. Discuss with friends, family, or even other students who have gone through this process before. They can offer insights and perhaps recommend companies or agents who are particularly helpful. Social media platforms and online forums are also a good place to seek recommendations and reviews. In this digital age, don't overlook the benefits of technology. Insurance companies offer mobile apps or web platforms that make managing your policy easier. These tools can be especially useful for international students who are juggling schoolwork, part-time jobs, and adapting to a new culture. Once you've got a list of potential policies, scrutinize them carefully. Compare the pros and cons for each plan. Don't hesitate to question insurance agents and dig deep into the policy documents. Remember, the devil is in the details. Look for any hidden fees, restrictions, or limitations. Make sure to ask how the policy handles cases related to your student status, such as what happens if you switch schools, drop out, or even graduate and start working. The more flexible the policy, the better. After you've made your choice, the next step is usually the medical examination. Most insurance providers will require this to assess your health status. It's typically a straightforward process, but make sure to schedule it at a time when you're in good health to get the most favorable rates. And finally, once you've cleared the medical examination and made your choice, it's time to sign the dotted line. But remember, purchasing the policy isn't the end. Keep all your documents organized and easily accessible. Inform your beneficiaries about the policy and instruct them on the claim process. The last thing you want is to have a great policy that your loved ones can't claim because they weren't informed. To wrap up, choosing a life insurance policy as an international student may seem daunting, but with careful planning and consideration, you can secure a financial safety net that will give you and your family peace of mind. Remember, the best policy for you is one that meets your specific needs and fits within your budget. Thank you for joining me on this guide. I hope it's been informative and helpful. Safe travels and best of luck in your academic endeavors.